Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this hugs ranking filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just tap on this effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for hugs. Okay, the first one, ranking hugs by DA. This is the effect. Tap on it. With 1. Okay, with 1.4 million videos, this is the effect. Suppose you can't see the filter in the search also. What you can do? Go to your For You page and here search for hugs ranking filter.
Give me a polite.
Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on the first one. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Wait for it. Okay, now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.